Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now yesterday, I don't know if you recognize this, this is my candle chandelier that I've had up in my living room for a long time. Now yesterday I didn't film it, but I decided to paint it gold, and when I put it up I thought it was going to look great, and I just was not happy with it. So today I've decided to paint it back silver, and this time I'm going to make it a very beaded, glamorous type candle chandelier. So I bought a bunch of beads, and I'm going to show you that in a bit. First I'm going to show you, we're going to start spray painting it, but I did go to Hobby Lobby. This is not a Dollar Tree, dollar store DIY. This will cost you some money if you want to do it, but these, to buy them that way is like $200 bucks. So I'm saving regardless, and so I'm going to try to make it as glamorous as could be. Definitely fits in with modern, which is what I am doing. So let's go ahead and start spray painting. And this, by the way, this is Krylon Premium Metallic. I think. Okay, so now that it's all dry, now the next step I want to do is add this metal siding, and I got this at Hobby Lobby, and they sell it in the wedding section. No idea if this is going to be holding. Okay, so now just let me say this first. Some people like very modern, and that's fine. This style actually goes with modern or not, so it goes with it. My style, I like a lot of crystals and things. So if you wanted to, if you had something similar, some candelabra, you could do something similar like this and leave it just like this, and it would look good. But, you know me, I want to bling it up. So, I got these at the dollar store, and they're just little beads. So, I wanted to add some little bling to these, to this thing around, because it's very plain. And then, I'm going to show you what I purchased. I've purchased a lot of bags of crystals. And I actually bought beads, and I beaded my own strings. Now, I bought the string. I'll show you everything that I bought, and I actually already did it because it would take forever to do it on here. But all I did was buy a separate thing of string, and then I just looped it through the beads, and I beaded my own things, and I will show you that later. So first I'm going to start with these. Now, I don't know how much I have or how this is going to go, but I'm just going to randomly place them, I think. Okay, so these are the things I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Now let me show you. I purchased this box of crystals. They have big ones and small ones. This was about, I believe it was $7.99. And then I also bought these crystals. This was $10. Bought these. And a lot of stuff I already had, but I really want to bling it up. So I also bought this string of beads. I'm not sure exactly where everything's going to go, but I have an idea. So I bought these beads. This was $3.99 for the whole roll. And then this box is empty. You can see the little remnants of what's left. I bought a box of these, and they come in all different sizes, these beads. And this was what I used to string these. Now I just strung them randomly, small ones, big ones, and then I put this at the end. So these are going to hang from the top. I did 5 of these, which took me forever. And then these I already had. I had these on the other one, but I had the skinny bottom, so I replaced it with these big bottoms. So I have 2 of each. I believe there's 10. So I have 10 of these, so 2 of each. Is that I'm going to take this bead, and I'm not going to do it over here. I'm thinking I'm just going to lay it like this, and maybe let it fall over this way, or hook it up beneath. But this is what I want to start with. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I've done this far, because my phone keeps dying. I keep having to let it charge. So you've seen that I took these, and instead of laying them on top, what I did is, I'm going to do this last one and show you how I did it. Now I've already done all of these. Now all I've done is take some scissors and use this excess string that I have right here. It's all knotted up. At any rate, I need to use some of it. I'll have to fix that. Let me see here. Let me make sure this is tied up. Don't want this to come untied. Okay. And what I've done is just, this is a little bit frayed, but I think I could use it now. I'm just tying a piece that the piece that I want to hang, I'm going to put a tie in it. And then I'll double, oh, you see what happened? Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Okay, let me fix this. It was not, I should have been more careful with the knot. I want to fix this. This is coming apart. Let me see if I can cut that edge. much to work with. Really hard to double knot. Okay, this is dangerous, but I'm going to try it. It's really, I just don't know what else to do with this. Well, let's see here. I need some string. Really not happy with that. You see how that is? I did not tie that good. Maybe I should try to change it. Let me see. Oh. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, so I gotta find some string. Now I don't have any. I know I have some around here. Okay, gotta be some string. You know, on the very last one, we have problems. I was going really good and just messed up. We lost these beads. Okay, let me find some string because, okay, here we go. Here's a big piece. Phew. Okay, we're back in business. Okay, now I'm going to take this, try it again. Now I'm tying it to the edge, to the end like that. Just going to double knot it. And then I'm going to go over here. And then from behind, we don't need all this string. Push it through the hole and then push it back out the hole on the other side.